Do you want to learn a cool trick for creating a YouTube subscribe link? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your very own YouTube subscribe link. Hello and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe, and if you're returning, it's so good to see you again. And remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description section. This is basically a hack that you can use to create a link, a customized link for your channel. Perhaps you want to have a link you can send to people, or you want to place it on a website. Anybody that has that link, or wherever you place that link, people can be directly taken to the place where they can subscribe to your channel. It's really easy, it's really fast, and it's just so cool. If it's something you're interested in learning, then keep watching. Guys, I want to first show you how my YouTube channel URL currently looks like without the auto subscribe extension at the end of it. So it is basically this, the UC code. If you happen to have a customized name to your YouTube channel, that's also okay as well. So what you need to do is to add this $sub_confirmation=1 after the name of your channel. So I'll add it behind my 6A. So let's just go back to what it was before. So it was KWG6A, and after the KWG6A, I added the $sub_confirmation=1. And once I press return, I will see a subscribe prompt pop up that asks me to confirm whether I want to subscribe to this channel. So this is what anybody who you send that link to, or who clicks on this link, would see. It's just basically a direct link that they can click on, and they'll be automatically subscribed to your channel. Key thing I would say is this extension at the end, which is the $sub_confirmation=1. Make a note of this so that you don't forget. Another thing to call out is that this trick only works on desktops and does not currently work on mobile phones at the moment. I haven't been able to get it working anyway, so if you have, please let me know in the comment section. And yeah, that's it. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when I post another video. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section, and also if you have any video requests as well. Before you go on, check out the videos on the screen, and I will see you in the next video.